Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to delete your story on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, look for the Stories section. You can find it under your profile picture or in the Videos tab. Tap on it to view your stories. Now find the story you want to delete. Tap on it to open it. While viewing your story, look for the three-dot menu icon in the bottom right corner. It may look like this arrow that is pointing to the right. Tap on the three-dot icon or tap on this arrow and you'll see options pop up. Select Delete from the options. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the story. Confirm your choice and your story will be deleted. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your story on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.